Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you a no makeup look. So I did previously film a simple everyday makeup routine and leave it to your family to roast you and to tell you that it's not that simple. So I had a few requests to do a no makeup routine. Now, if you know me, I kind of feel like no makeup routines are kind of silly because what's the point in wearing makeup to look like you're not wearing makeup? You understand the concept. It's not so much that it's no makeup, it's more so that it is simple, very simple, taking the guesswork out of makeup. We've come to a place where we are literally using about 50 products and beating our face to the gods, and it's so hard for the novice makeup person to really get on board with that. So today I'm doing something very simple. Before I start this video, the best no makeup routine is a popping skincare routine. So again, best no makeup routine is a popping skincare routine. Just let that settle for a bit and we're gonna get started with this video, so stay. So I went ahead and I've completed my brows, so this is what they're looking like. I've used my Wet n Wild pencil in the shade Sienna Brown, and I also went ahead and I used my Born This Way concealer just to clean up a little bit underneath the brow, and that's in the shade Butterscotch. Now I'm also going to go in and do a little bit of concealing under my eyes and in my T-zone. Now this is also good for ladies that have dark circles underneath their eyes. It's a nice way to conceal and also brighten it up. I'm gonna add a little bit down my nose bridge. Cupid's bow, chin, forehead. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start to blend this out. Now, ideally, you want this to kind of dry down a little bit so you get as much color payoff as possible. But again, this is very simple, so we don't need a whole bunch of coverage. So I am gonna just go ahead and start blending this out. So you see what I'm doing? I just quickly blended those out. And I'm just gonna go on the eyelid as well with a little bit of that concealer. Whatever is left on my sponge. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend out that nose. All right, so that literally took like 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna go in with a setting powder, and this is the Fenty setting powder in the shade Honey. It's the Pro Filter, and again, my shade is Honey. I'm using the same beauty sponge. Just gonna tap some of that off in the lid, and I'm going to set those highlighted places. So I'm really just using what's left in the brush, in the lid, to kind of go over everywhere that I added the concealer. Now I need to go back into the actual product, tap it off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I am just gonna go in with that same loose powder and I'm gonna put this all over my face. very little. Now, I will say, if you have dry skin, I have oily skin, but if you have dry skin, you can also just use a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream to kind of give you a little bit of coverage, and that's relatively simple to apply as well. Let's get that. Just pat that into my eyelids because I did go in with the concealer. Bam. So that's what we're looking like right now. Okay, so you have your powder on now. So we've technically only used 3 products at this point. We used the eyebrow pencil, the concealer, and the powder, the loose powder. Now you're gonna need a concealer. Sorry, you're gonna need a bronzer. So I'm using the Fenty Sunstalker in the shade Cocoa Naughty. And this is where we're gonna bring back some of that warmth and dimension back into our face. So, just gonna go for my mirror. And I'm going to bronze up my skin. I'm gonna bronze up my cheek, my cheekbones, and my forehead and my jawline. And you don't have to be so precise with this, right? You're literally just putting that, and you see how that is warming up the skin again? Yeah. Adding a little bit to the nose. Okay, so we are done bronzing. Now we're just gonna go in with some mascara. And I'm just gonna do 2 coats. And I'm also going to do top and bottom lashes. So, okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do my bottom lashes. Let's see if they wanna come out to play, because sometimes it's a struggle. So now 2 final steps. I'm gonna go in with some blush, and this is just to bring some color back into our face. Today I'm going in with the ColourPop Super Shock in the color Drop of a Hat. And this does have some, shimmer to it. So if you feel like you are missing a little bit of the glow, you can use a blush to kind of bring that glow back into the skin, if that's what you're looking for. If not, and you just want something flat and matte, then you can do that as well. It's all up to you and what you want. Lastly, I am gonna go in with a lippy. This is just a simple nude lip gloss. This is from MAC. I'm not sure of the name. I'll try and link it in the description below. But it is a simple brown tone, for me, nude lip gloss. Guys, so here you have it. This is my final no makeup routine. I think, guys, I did this in under 10 minutes. Yeah, like literally this makeup application took about 10 minutes, and that's only because of the mascara. But it's so quick, it's so easy. You need very few products to achieve this look. Let me know your thoughts and what you'd like to see, whether it's makeup, whether it's fashion, whether it's cooking, whether it's lifestyle, whether it's vlogs. Let me know. But as always, if you like this video, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all of your support. And until the next video, I will see you then. Take care.